I talked with him. I talked with him. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. How are you? How are you? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Believe me. Believe me. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Call me back. Call me back. Call me anytime. Call me anytime. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I do not understand. I do not understand. I do not mean it. I do not mean it. I am sorry. I am sorry. I apologize. I apologize. I agree. I agree. I disagree. I disagree. I'll handle it. I'll handle it. It's for the best. It's for the best. Be careful. Be careful. Cheer up. Cheer up. See you next time. See you next time. Can you turn the volume up? Can you turn the volume up? What did you say? What did you say? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? How can I get there? How can I get there? God bless you. God bless you. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to introduce myself. Have a good time. Have a good time. What about you? What about you? What do you think? What do you think? Be calm. Be calm. I apologize for being late. I apologize for being late. How are things going? How are things going? What do you want? What do you want? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I got it. I got it. I like that. I like that. We both like each other. We both like each other. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? May God bless you. May God bless you. This is not fair. This is not fair. I hate you. I hate you. What is your contact number? What is your contact number? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Are you there? Are you there? Write with an improved hand. Write with an improved hand. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? Forget it. Forget it. Who will cooperate with you? Who will cooperate with you? It was nice to talk with you. It was nice to talk with you. Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that? You are a glutton. You are a glutton. When will you reach? When will you reach? Call me back. Call me back. Improve your handwriting. Improve your handwriting. See you. See you. The matter is clear. The matter is clear. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. What did you say? What did you say? How much is that? How much is that? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Do you have some money? Do you have some money? What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? I wish you a happy married life. I wish you a happy married life. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? I don't know telling a lie. I don't know telling a lie. I invited him to tea. I invited him to tea. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. How are things going? How are things going? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? This is not a joke. This is not a joke. I hope so. I hope so.